Hello guys, how to make $6,000 a month just by working 20 minutes a day. This is what I'm gonna tell you in this video. I'm gonna show you the entire strategy from starting till the end, and I am going to tell you all the steps which you need and everything which you want to do. And the best thing about this method is that this method works worldwide. You can make money anywhere in the world by using this method, as well as this method is really easy. Even a 15-year-old or even a 13-year-old can do this method by sitting at the comfort of their home, sitting at a restaurant, or traveling the world. Anywhere in the world this method can be done, and you can really make up to $6,000 every single month doing this method. All you need to do is chat with some person. Okay, so this is really interesting concept, and you can definitely make this method work and start making some real money online. So this method is known as drop servicing. Okay, you may have heard about drop shipping, but this method is called drop servicing. What you are going to do is you are going to sell services, but you yourself are not going to do those services. You are going to outsource those services from other people. And how you are going to do this is what I'm going to tell you in this video. So watch this video till the end so you can understand all the steps, as well as whatever the secret this method hides, or many affiliate gurus may show you this method, but they may hide some of the secrets. I'm not gonna hide all those secrets. I'm just gonna tell you all the steps really easily and really in an applicable manner. So just stay tuned and watch this video till the end. If you want to skip the video, I just suggest you skip it now. And if you are going to skip the video, then you are going to regret that you just have missed the very good method of making some good money online. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to this website which is known as freelancer.com. Okay, just keep this in mind, freelancer.com. Okay, now you can see here, you can see this find jobs. Okay, so you can see that here you can find many of the jobs. We are not going to do this jobs, just we are going to look at it. Okay, don't worry, we are not going to do anything. You just don't have to do anything. Okay, so you can see I need someone to copy information from some websites. Okay, so he will be paying you $6 to $11 per hour. I need someone to increase YouTube views for one particular video. See, he will pay you $2 to $8 a hour. See, I need some data entry. He's gonna pay you almost $250 to $750. That's insane. Okay, now we are going to dropship this service. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to bid with this person. Okay, and you have to get this person to give you the job. Okay, so you just have to bid with this person and just get this person to give you a job. After you get the job from this person, what you are going to do is you are going to hire someone to do this work for a lesser amount of money. Okay, so this person will pay you almost $250 if you take in the minimum way. Okay, so the minimum this guy is going to pay you $250 for some data entry work. Okay, and now what you have to do is you just get the order from this person. Now you have to do the work for this person. Okay, now what you are going to do is you are going to Fiverr. Just type in data entry, search. Okay, these are the two websites which we are going to use. The first website is Freelancer. Okay, and the second website is Fiverr. Now data entry. See, I will do data entry, just $5. This person will data entries, web scraping, etc. Okay, so you can see this. There are many people on Fiverr who are providing data entry jobs. Okay, see here. See, I will excel it. I will be doing data entry. See, this guy provides data entry. This guy provides data entry. This guy provides high quality data entry work just for $10. So what you can do is just get the order from this person. Okay, hire someone on Fiverr to do this work. Okay, and you are going to pay very less amount of money if you hire someone on Fiverr to do this type of particular work. So this is really interesting and really easy. Okay, so what you are going to do is just get the work from this person. Okay, no matter what, he is going to pay you almost at the minimum rate. He is going to pay you $250 for this work. And what you are going to do is hire someone on Fiverr who just provides this service for almost $10 to $20. And what you are going to do is make this person do that particular work for $10 to $20. And after that, provide that work to this person and you get the money. So this is how you are going to make profit of almost $230, even if you pay $20 on Fiverr for this same amount, for the same data entry work. So this is what you are going to do. This is what is known as drop servicing. All you need to do is find some service, find a person who is wanting to provide you a job, okay, who is ready to pay you higher money. All you need to do is find a person who will do that work for you in a lesser price and just act as a middleman between this person and this person. So you don't have to do any of the work. All you need to do is chat with this person and get what his job is about, okay, what job he is offering you, okay, and what you have to do is just offer the same job to this person and this person will do the job. Okay, and you pay him the money, that is 10 to 20 or $30, how much he charges. Okay, after the work is completed, just take the work from this person and provide that work to this person, okay, and this person will pay you this amount of money. So this is really interesting, this is really easy, because this guy is really paying you $250 to $750, and this guy will do this work in almost 20. Okay, if we get it on a higher end, you want some high quality work, then it's okay, you can hire someone from Fiverr who charges a little bit more, maybe $50, maybe $100, but it's okay. Even then, if someone on Fiverr charges $100 for this data entry work, even then you are going to make $150 of profit. So this is how drop shipping works, drop servicing works, and this is how you can do it. Okay, this is really easy. All you need to do is just chat with this person as well as chat with this person and just give him some of the work. And this is really simple. You can really make a great amount of money doing this really simple method. But the most important thing to make money online with this method is to take action and take consistent action. This is really important. If you are not going to take action with this method in 2020, you are not going to earn any of the money. Many of the people comment or just write in the comment box that they are not able to earn money with the methods. But the problem there is that they are not taking action, or they are not taking consistent action. These are the two things which are really important. First is taking action, and the second is taking action consistently, because in the field of make money online, or even in the offline business, or any of the business of this world, it is really very important that you should take consistent action, put in some work, put in some time, and after that you will reap the benefits and reap the fruits and earn all the money which you want doing this simple, really easy strategy. Even a 14-year-old, a 15-year-old can do this work and really start making some money. But at the first time, you require some investment, that is $10 to $20, which I am pretty sure that you may be having $10 to $20, because that's really important. Okay, if you are not having even $10 to $20, then how you are buying the internet and how you are using it, that's also a question mark. So that is the amount of money which you are really having, because you don't require any of the money starting this business. You can just do it absolutely for free. Okay, all you need is $10 to $20 in your pocket, or even if you don't have this much amount of money, even that is okay. You can do it absolutely for free. So this is really easy. This is really simple. All you need to do is stay consistent with this method, and you can really make up to $6,000 doing this simple work. So if you like my video, if you like my content, if you like this video or this type of content, just take action. Right, take action in the comment box that you will be taking action on this method. And I also recommend you to watch out other videos on my channel which will also provide you a ton of value about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.